In the crowd I drift away. All the noise pulls me astray. Just one moment I slow down. Hear my heart beneath the sound.
City lights but I feel lonely. Smiling faces still so empty. Walking fast through rushing moments, but I don't know where I'm going. Neon shadows blur my vision. Endless echoes, waves of motion. I'm so tired of all this running. Want a place with sky and nothing. Lost in the noise, I lost myself. Chasing the world like someone else. If I just pause and hear me breathing, I find the peace I've been believing. Lost in the noise, I drift like air. Nowhere to go but everywhere. Just a little silence inside turns this whole world into a lie.
Yeah. Neon lights, but my mind's still dark. Too many thoughts, they just fall apart. Laugh in the day, but I feel it at night. Running in circles, no end in sight. Chasing the future, missing the now. Carrying weight, I don't know how. One deep breath, let it all go. Suddenly life starts moving slow. Don't need much, don't need it all. Peace in the heart is the real call. Let go a little, feel that breeze. Everything softens naturally.
Left the city, found a quiet where the wind sings low and silent. No more voices calling my name, just the sky and no more chasing.
Morning sunlight feels so gentle.
Birds are singing something simple.
In that stillness I discover
Peace was always getting closer.
lost in the noise to find a way. Through all the rush I couldn't stay. Everything I was searching for was always right inside my core. Lost in the noise, now I can see I never had to run to be free. Just turn within and I will find a whole blue sky inside my mind.
Clouds still move, winds still flow. Now my heart moves slow.
In the noise I found my way. Now I'm home.